Points A, B, O, and P lie on circle C. The radii, segment CA, segment CB, segment CO, and segment CP are drawn in, as well as the chords segment AB and segment OP. It is given that segment AB is congruent to segment OP. Alexa must prove that arc AB is congruent to arc OP. Which postulates, theorems, or statements will Alexa need to include in her plan for her proof? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all the correct answer choices. Okay, so if this is me, I would duplicate this, tab, pull it over, and I would scroll till I saw a picture that looked similar to that one. Make sure I clicked Show All. And I'm looking for chords that are matching or are congruent. That one has the central angles. Okay, that has the arcs that's matched. Okay, this one looks very similar. We have the chords. Okay, it says given that segment AB is congruent to segment DE, prove that arc AB is congruent to arc DE. Alright, so this is exactly what this is. So I'm going to look, I'm actually going to scroll to step 5 because it fills in all the blanks if you haven't caught on to that, if you show all. So I'm looking at all of the reasons. Already I have our circle are congruent, side congruence postulate, definition of congruent triangles, so the CP-CTC, congruent angles, definition of arc angles, substitution property, and definition of congruent arcs. So I'm looking for any of those, and there was the side. All radii of the same circle are congruent. The measure of the arc is equal to the measure of its central angle. That's correct. This is right here. So we had to interpret this one a little bit more because the measure of angle ACB is the central angle, and the angle of DCE being congruent to the measure of the arc is definition. They're just wording it out in this one. And then last but not least, but the CP-CTC. So that's how I would use the proofs for the checkpoints, and I would just look for ones that look similar and start from there.